So I thought I'd do a quick video on some of the rides I don't tend to video. Lots of people get past. So yeah, today out on this new errand bike, the Dahon Vitesse D8. So it's an 8-speed derailleur bike, foldable-ish. It's nothing like the Brompton in terms of compactness, but it rides well. We got it very cheap off Facebook Marketplace, and the main reason really is so I can lock it up and not have to carry a huge gold weighted lock around like I would do with the Brompton to make sure it's insured. So often I haven't got anywhere to put it inside, so yeah, I thought this would do the job. So I've put a few miles on it this morning, a few yesterday. So yeah, just a little insight into all those rides that don't make a point of view video. Fab.